This is my Porsche 981 Boxster, and recently it has been sounding like this. After some diagnosis, I found this. So the front trailing arm needs replacing. The bolt holding it on is just an 18mm, so that and a breaker bar just to break it loose, and then using a ratchet and then my hands just to take the bolt out. This bolt is torque to yield, so it will also need replacing. The trailing arm should then just pull out. And as you can see here by the bushing, it is quite worn, so that's the cause of the knock. Compared that to the new bushing, it's quite rigid and I can't move it with my fingers. While the old arm did just pull out, it can be a bit tight to put the new arm in. So undoing this 18mm nut will just give you a little bit of extra room for the new arm to just fit right in. As mentioned earlier, the bolt holding this in is torque to yield, so it must be replaced. That 18mm nut can also be reinstalled. Now the other end of the trailing arm can be aligned with the bushing in the control arm. Install the bolt, and just hand tighten the nut on top. Now to torque everything to spec. That inner 18mm nut, that is just 30 Newton meters. The bolt holding in the trailing arm, that is 90 Newton meters, plus an additional 180 degrees. I marked the bolt with some permanent marker to keep track of the angle. The reason for the additional 180 degrees is that the initial 90 Newton meters is just to generate enough friction in the threads to prevent the bolt from coming undone. The final 180 degrees is to stretch the bolt and put the whole assembly under tension, giving it a more consistent clamping force. The trailing arm to control arm bolt is to be tightened to 160 Newton meters, and yes, I am using the completely factory approved method of putting my foot on the bulkhead just to give myself enough leverage to tighten it. And that's the new trailing arm installed. Now just to reinstall the air guides, put the wheels back on and take it for a drive. And as you can hear, there's no knocking. So I hope you found this video helpful if you're doing this job yourself, and thanks for watching.